All right, this is one of the very good artificial intelligence that ASU has to offer that you're going to do in the class resume and application materials. You just come down here. You can watch this little helpful tips as well. But here you got Sun Devil Career. So it's pretty cool on a lot of these things. I'm not going to go over everything. You are actually going to figure this stuff out. But when you start looking at it, it's pretty cool. So you got this down here, build your materials, and then it gives you a lot of information. And then you've got this, like for example, you can add a resume, practice mock interview, you create one, select a job. I put something in here, so it's just, as you can see, it's already there, it's just popping up. Let's see, boop, 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 boop. Beginner, intro call, selected interview, I like this Dave guy, then you continue. This is the interview part. What happened? What happened? Oh, here it is. Select resume. I put untitled. Okay, take a look. It's pretty interesting from my point of view. I don't know about your point of view. And then let's say begin interview. All right. Now, this isn't even in the interview part of the course. This is just essentially, I don't like this because you can't put a background, but I'm going to take off my little thing. So this is what I look like. Oh no, I'm so ugly when there is nothing in the background. See, so make sure there's something cool in the background. As you can see, mine is very ugly. But why is it ugly? Because I'm beautiful, but the background, because this I usually use Zoom. So, you want something in the background, which we're going to go over in the interview part. Oh no, now you can see my Pennywise just sitting there. So I'm starting the interview and he asks questions.
Science curriculum manager at Brightmont Academy. You will be leading and supporting campuses with effective, engaging, and customized course curriculum. Can you tell me about a time in your experience where you had to design and implement a curriculum and how you ensured it was both compliant and of high quality, as mentioned in your resume under experience or leadership experience?
This job is way above my current abilities. And then you just press this, watch. And then here, this job was above my current abilities, and then you just press the button. So we kind of get this part. So I'm going to get out, watch this, it's just boom, right? Leave, yes. Dave was very mean to me. He was very unfair. I feel like Donald Trump, they're very mean to him. All right, now we're going to go back, or J.D. Vance during the vice presidential debate, they kept on fact checking him. So anyways, this is pretty good. So you can add resumes. You go here, go to resumes. You got total number of jobs, add a resume, and you are going to play around with this. This is the one I put. I just found something that was Brightmont Academy. So I just put it. So now it's kind of bookmarked in there just for practice. You can find your own link to any job you want and then practice. Go here to resume. This is a default I started doing. And if you look, you can next. It does, take, so this is like just a, artificial intelligence kind of template, and then you fill in with your own. This is exactly what I'm talking about, though. All of what's going on here. Right? You basically, and then there's more like, oh, you can add, you can choose a template. See, this is something to kind of fool around with, but this goes into everything I'm talking about. Artificial intelligence, the goal of this module and the goal of this course is to say artificial intelligence can help you, but you don't want it to dominate you. You don't want your identity, individuality, and your personality to be gone, right? So you can use these to help you. All of these tools are great, right? Like, oh, choose a template. Oh, Dave's going to give me an example, whatever his name was in that, in the other, with the mock interview, right? So you're going to basically say to yourself, oh, cool, this is going to help me, but you don't want it writing it for you because then it becomes generic. Then you lose who you are. So use these tools. This is the goal of this module, is just to expose you to artificial intelligence tools on how they can help you without erasing and eliminating your personality, characteristic, and individuality. Thanks for listening, everyone, and I hope this was helpful.